In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create better AI UGC ads than 99% of people. And this is the result of this tutorial.
This protein completely changed my routine. Amazing taste, real results, and you notice it super fast. Link in my profile, go grab it.
So to create that video, first we need to go to novoads AI. The link of this platform is going to be in the comment section. And once you arrive here, you need to create an account. After that, you will arrive here. And here we need to go first to the image section. This because what we're going to do is first to create an image and then with that image, create the video. That way, we will do a very good AI UGC ad. So now let's go to settings. Here, I'm going to change the model to GPT image 2 because I prefer it. Now in quality, I prefer to use the medium quality. That way we can do 3 images with the medium quality for the price of 1 image of the high quality. So now here where it says describe your image, I'm going to paste the following prompt. This prompt is going to be in the comment section. And now here we need to click in reference. Now I'm going to upload an image of my product that is going to be a protein. So let's click here and now click here to generate the images. Perfect. Now we have to wait more or less 1 to 2 minutes. Perfect. Here we have the images. So now we have to choose the one we like the most. Personally, I like this one. So now we have to click here where it says use as a start frame. And now we have to go to settings. Here in model, I prefer to use Clink 3.0. Now in duration, I'm going to use 10 seconds, but here you can use the duration you want. And here where it says describe your video, I'm going to use the following prompt. This prompt is going to be in the comment section. And if you want, you can modify it as you want for your products. So now let's click here and now in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 4 to 5 minutes. Perfect. Here we have the video. So now let's see it.
This protein completely changed my routine. Amazing taste, real results, and you notice it super fast. Link in my profile, go grab it.
Perfect. I don't know what you think, but personally, I like it a lot, the video. It looks realistic, the quality was really good, and personally, I like it a lot. So now that you know how to create AI UGC ads better than the 99% of people, I want to tell you that in novoads AI, we have an offer that you can try the platform for just $1. With that, you will receive 10 credits that, for give you an example, this video that we did, if we see here, had a cost of 5 credits. This means that if you try the platform, you can do 2 videos like this one for just $1. So I recommend you to try the platform. And well, if you have doubts, you can comment me in the comment section and see you in the next video.